This is my Lego. Gosh, I'm so used to doing candy machines now these days. But this is my Lego sliding puzzle, and it's really cool and awesome. And yeah, so this is what it looks like. This is the lid. Put it. This doesn't jig, and actually has a little face. And that's the eye. That's an eye. That's the gem. That's the middle one. Yeah. So this is how it looks. So you see. So first, put that there, right here, and then you put this here. Take that there. Take this there. Put that. Put that. Put that. That right there, and then like that. And yeah, that's the sliding puzzle. It's really simple and easy. It's basically really easy. I do want to put this.
You called me? And you never told me?
Well, that just started.
I really don't need you protected, and I really don't need you lying to me. Ever.
And yeah, it basically just broke. And yeah, I'm Jalen, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.